Automated trading tools in 2025. How to integrate them with FXCM. The year 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point for traders who embrace automation. With artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and algorithmic trading platforms becoming more advanced, traders now have the opportunity to let software handle repetitive tasks, minimize emotional decision-making, and execute trades faster than ever. One of the most popular platforms for this integration is FXCM, which offers robust APIs and tools for automated trading. Why automated trading matters in 2025. The financial markets are moving faster, with more data being generated in real time. Manual trading simply cannot keep up with the speed of execution required to take advantage of fleeting opportunities. Automated trading tools allow you to set predefined rules for entries, exits, stop losses, and risk management, ensuring consistency and precision in every trade. FXCM's API and integration options. FXCM offers a powerful API suite, including REST, FIX, and Python-based APIs. These tools let traders connect custom trading algorithms, third-party bots, or even AI-driven models directly to their FXCM account. For example, Python's FXCM Py library allows you to backtest strategies, analyze live data, and place trades without touching the FXCM platform manually. Steps to integrate automated trading tools with FXCM. Choose your automation tool. Decide whether you'll use a trading bot, a third-party automation platform like MetaTrader with expert advisors, or a custom-coded solution. Access FXCM API. Apply for FXCM's API access, then generate your API token. Connect your tool. Use REST, FIX, or FXCM Py to link your trading software to FXCM. Backtest your strategy. Simulate trades using historical data to refine your approach before going live. Go live with risk controls. Start with small position sizes, applying dynamic or fixed stop losses. Best practices. Keep your system updated to adapt to market changes. Use cloud servers or VPS hosting for 24/7 uptime. Regularly monitor your bot's performance and intervene if necessary. In 2025, the combination of FXCM's advanced infrastructure and cutting-edge automated trading tools gives traders a competitive edge. The key lies in integrating them effectively, testing thoroughly, and managing risk wisely.